The thing I like the most about the program I took at VCC would be the combination of theoretical and application. Unlike other institutions, I've observed that they focus more on theoretical. But here with VCC, they also make sure that there's a good balance between the theories and applying it to the real setting.
That really helps the students to go out in the market and to explore what their skill set is and how to do better in their career.
Because I didn't have any prior experience from back in India, so this really helped me to get a job in Canada. And also it really prepared me for the Canadian workplace.
VCC's practicum is actually in two parts. There's the prep and the actual practicum. Both of them helped me immensely. From the practicum's prep side,
How to make resumes, how to approach on LinkedIn, how to get network marketing. So that really helped me in getting my job.
now come the actual practicum. In here, I was able to put to use all the skills I learned from our discussions in class.
Mostly day-to-day operational stuff, dealing with staffing, especially with customer service is a very important part. Make sure that all customers are satisfied is a really great part of the job. Also, during the work practicum, that's something I learned in order to provide better service for our staff right now.
And once I was done with my internship, I placed there as a full-time employee. So as a person with no prior experience, I would definitely suggest taking practicum in VCC.
The advice I would like to give is don't have a second thought, just take the admission. It will really help your career to grow. All the professors are really good. They will guide you how to achieve success in your particular field in your life.
A lot of school, a lot of work, and then you have to just be committed.
If you can't find a job in like 1 or 2 months, that's okay. Because VCC is going to help you prepare anyway. And soon enough, you will be up and running, getting opportunities left and right.
You just have a goal and you go towards the goal and you don't change your path for anyone.
Study hard, work hard, enjoy your time in Canada, and have fun.